Hello everyone, it is your girl Camille here, and today, as you can read by the title, we are doing I guess I could call this like 6th grade essentials bag, and I'm going into 6th grade in I think about a week. And I just used an old Ipsy bag that I had. It's a pretty big bag because I have some big products in there. But enough said, let's just get on with the video. So here is our little bag. It says Ipsy in it. Boop. And now the first thing we pull out is something that I got with my points from my Ipsy, which is the GV moisturizer with microalgae, cucumber, sage. And it says skincare so natural it's safe enough to eat. So let's just read the ingredients. Aloe vera juice, you can eat that. Shea butter, yeah. Olive oil, Zinc oxide, not exactly sure what that is. Wax from coconut palm trees. Vegetable glycerin, jojoba oil, microalgae, cucumber peel, rosemary, vitamin E, essential oil blend. And it says it's organic. So this moisturizer, it is green, but it shows up green on your face, but when you rub it in, it's really nice. It smells so good, like crazy good. And yeah, I just think that moisturizer is definitely an essential. So a lot of this is just for like after PE if I want to look my best. And the next thing we have here is the e.l.f. Lip liner in the shade Natural, and it has the line side and the blend side. So I'm just going to swatch it for you. Here it is, and I'll just blend it with the lip brush. And I just think that this would be nice for a little touch of pink to my lips and to line the lip glosses that I have in my bag. Not much else there. And the next thing we have in here, I'm just going to dig around to get something random. We have this bottle of parfum. No, it's body mist. So this is from Bath and Body Works. It is in the Smell Beautiful Day, but the actual packaging is much bigger than this, and I wanted to fit this into something small. And it actually is blue. It's not like the container made of blue. This thing is actually clear. And this smells really good. I'm just going to smell it. That was a lot. So this kind of smells like a fresh field of like grass or flowers, and it's such a nice smell. So the next thing we have here is the Glamour Dolls Sweet Treats lip gloss, and I am in love with this lip gloss. It is the best lip gloss in the world, and I just got it from my Ipsy. This makes my lips extra glossy. Here it is. It's very thick, but it's super nice. And not much else to say. It also has some glitter flecks in it, which is super cool. Next thing we have in here is this big bottle of Renew Virgin Coconut Body Oil. And this is from the Cook Islands, which is near New Zealand, and my parents got it for me when they were on their trip. And it's just a very nice smelling body oil that has coconut in it. And I just thought that it was something that would maybe make me smell better after gym or PE. And here's the Ciate London highlighter. I broke it, don't ask. I repressed it. Next thing, another thing from my Ipsy. Actually, I think that everything in my Ipsy is in here because all of this stuff was like a 6th grade essentials. And this is just a lip balm. It says it's tinted, but it's really not. And it's by Glow for a Cause. The next thing here is the Pixie by Petra blush, but I like to use this as an eyeshadow better. which means I get more use out of the product because it's so big. Because it's really dirt blush. And the next thing we have here is something I got from my grandma. And the next thing I have here, I did not buy by myself. I don't like to buy expensive stuff, if you know me. This is the Lancome mascara. And it's just a little guy. Very long wand. And the last thing we have inside of our bag is this Glamour Dolls blending brush, and I just thought it would be nice for my eyeshadows. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that little notification bell if you want to be notified when I post another video. Thank you for watching.